Welcome to this session to ease and let go of anxiety, stress, and worries. To begin, I will ask you to remove any distractions around you, turn off any devices that may interrupt you, and make yourself comfortable in a quiet space. Close your eyes and check your mental state. Is your mind very active? Just become aware of it. If it is restless, let it be restless for now. And if it is calm, that's ok too. Take a moment to simply acknowledge your present mental state as it is. Good. Now, bring to your mind the image of a mountain. It could be a mountain that you have seen, or any imaginary mountain. Picture it clearly in your mind, in all its majesty. Strong and tall. Can you see its shape, its colors? Now imagine rain falling down over the mountain. The wind blowing, the sound of the rain and the wind. And notice how the mountain remains unmoved, balanced, and open. Being deeply grounded and strong, the mountain stays undisturbed, accepting and whole. See if you can bring up in yourself all these qualities. Imagine how would it feel like to be a mountain? Strong, grounded, whole, open, undisturbed, at peace. You can find all these qualities within yourself. You have all these qualities, and no matter what kind of storm comes your way, you can always tap into this mountain-like calm and harmony. Keep the image of the mountain in your mind and stay there feeling grounded, strong, and at ease for a few moments. Now let's bring our awareness back to the body, feeling its weight, and shifting your attention to the palms of your hands. Do you feel any sensations there? Maybe tingling, maybe some vibration. Just become aware of any sensations around your hands and stay present with them for a moment. And whenever you feel ready, let's take a few deep breaths again and slowly begin to move your fingers, your wrists, and your shoulders. Stretch your neck if you feel like. Make any movements your body needs, and gently open your eyes. Thank you for practicing with me today.